let's take it then to an ET Now exclusive, and looks like investigations into the alleged Reebok fraud scam are now gaining momentum. Surprisingly, the managing director of its India unit is moving out. Sources say that this coincides with the heat that's now turning on Adidas for not being able to prove their allegations against Subinder Singh Prem. But for the very latest, let's take it across to Suchetna Ray, who's joining us live from our New Delhi newsroom with details on what she's picking up. Suchetna.
Tanya, sources in the investigating agency, especially the Serious Fraud Office, tell us that Klaus Heckerott, who is the managing director of the Reebok-Adidas combine in India, is trying to perhaps scuttle probe here. He is on the move. He is trying to move out of India, is what sources tell us. To remember that SFIO for some time now has been claiming how the Adidas India top management has not been cooperating with investigations. They've not been able to give them any concrete proof about the 870 crore allegation against Subinder Singh Prem about irregularities in the books of Reebok as long as he was the managing director. In fact, SFIO sources tell us that Klaus Heckerott is taking a 6-month-long sabbatical from his post in India as the MD of Adidas India and will move back to Germany. We have spoken to sources in Adidas, and they, while confirming the story, claim that this is not his attempt to run away from India, but his business visa in India is expiring, and that is the reason why it has been imperative that he takes a sabbatical, while SFIO sources tell us that that's perhaps not entirely correct because his employee visa has been processed by the Home Ministry.